Hello students, now today we will discuss about the topic chemical change, chemical reaction and in last chemical equation. First of all, we will start from definition of chemical change. Okay, now changes in which new substances are formed called chemical change. And students, these changes are permanent in nature. Okay, now for example we have example of conversion of milk to curd. Okay, and the property of curd is different from properties of milk. Okay, now rusting of iron, we have another example, ripening of fruits, etc. Okay, now what is chemical reaction? First of all, changes in which new substances are formed called chemical changes, and the process involving chemical change. Okay, the process involving chemical change is called chemical reaction. Okay, the process involving chemical change is called chemical reaction. Now example, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Now in this example, carbon and oxygen both are reactants. Okay, in this equation carbon and oxygen both are reactants, and after chemical change we have as product carbon dioxide. Okay, so what is definition of reactant, what is definition of product? Student, during chemical change new substance is formed and this new substance is called product, but the substances which in which chemical changes takes place. Okay, the substances in which chemical change takes place is called reactant. Okay, now we have another example of chemical reaction, milk to curd. Okay, in this example milk is as reactant. Okay, and curd is product. Okay, now we will discuss about chemical equation. Then we have balanced chemical equation and another unbalanced chemical equation, also known as Scattel equation. Now first of all, what is chemical equation? Now representation of chemical reaction, okay, in terms of symbols and formulae of reactants and product. Students, you know, changes in which new substances are formed called chemical change. Okay, and the process involving chemical change is called chemical reaction. Now the representation of chemical chemical reaction, okay, the representation of chemical reaction in terms of symbols and formulae of reactant and product is called chemical equation. So we have example of chemical equation. Okay, reactant changes into product. Now carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon and oxygen both are reactant and carbon dioxide is product. Now this is representation of equation, carbon plus oxygen, okay, gives carbon dioxide. So this is chemical equation. So what is balanced chemical equation and also what is unbalanced chemical equation? We have two types of chemical equation. First balanced and second unbalanced. Okay, now in case of balanced equation, students, if number of number of atoms in both reactant and product, okay, number of atom of elements okay, in both reactant and product is equal, okay, if number of atoms in both reactant and product are equal is called balanced chemical equation, okay. And if number of atom in element in both reactant and product is not equal, okay, called unbalanced chemical equation, okay. Now in this equation carbon plus oxygen, okay, gives carbon dioxide. Now first of all check this equation is balanced or unbalanced. Now in this equation in reactant there is one carbon and also we have one carbon in product, carbon dioxide, okay, one carbon. Now we have two oxygen in reactant and also we have two oxygen in product, so this is balanced chemical equation. Now we have another example, magnesium plus oxygen, okay, magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Now we have in reactant one magnesium, also one magnesium in product, and we have two oxygen in reactant, but here we have only one oxygen in product. So number of atoms in element oxygen, okay, number of atoms in oxygen is not equal in both sides, okay, both sides means in reactant and in product. So this is unbalanced equation, chemical equation. So we have chemical equation for chemical changes in which new substances are formed. Now chemical reaction, the process involving chemical changes, okay, chemical change is called chemical reaction, and the representation of chemical reaction in terms of symbols and formulae is called chemical equation. And we have two balanced chemical equation and unbalanced, okay. Thank you.